Have you ever felt like this? You understand your emotions, you know where they come from. Yes, they still feel stuck. What if release doesn't require effort, but it requires just your permission? Welcome to Inner Quest Healing Talks, conversations for stress to bliss. I'm your host, Ravindra Murthy. In the last episode, we explored stuck emotions, how unexpressed feelings turn into stored energy and quietly shape our reactions and behaviors and become patterns. Today, we talk about releasing them. No force and no dramatic release, but a gentle release, a kind that restores flow of energy without reactivating the pain. Let's begin an important understanding. Emotions don't get stuck because they are strong. It's not like a stain on the cloth, right? They get stuck because they are resisted. When an emotion arises and we judge it, suppress it, or rush past it, what happens? The energy tightens and compresses. And the release of this energy begins the moment your resistance softens. And this is why forcing yourself to let go rarely works. So, force will not work here. Letting go happens naturally when you stop holding it. Right? So, releasing stuck emotions involves three simple elements: awareness, allowing, and gentle movement. First is awareness, where you notice what is present without labeling them as right or wrong. Right? So you become aware. The second is allowing, where you give the emotion permission to exist without needing to act on it. And the third and the last step is gentle movements, where you can use breathwork, posture, and attention. And these three help energy complete its natural cycle, and the energy begins to flow easily and freely. Yes, simple breathwork is very effective to release stuck emotions. This approach also feels safe because you are not reliving the past. You are staying in the present while allowing the body to finish what it started. So, as energy begins to move, you may notice a deeper breath, a softening in your shoulders or chest area, and you begin to feel a sense of lightness and mental clarity. And these are the signs of release. Not because you did something special, but because you stopped resisting. Notice your body right now. Is there any place that feels heavy or tightness? Just bring your attention to that particular place. And again, no need to fix anything, just your presence is sufficient. And take few breaths. So when an emotion arises in that place, say silently, this is okay, this is allowed. And stay with that emotion for a few breaths. And you should see that emotion which was stuck will be released and you feel more lighter after this particular practice. If this episode resonates with you, share it with someone who you truly care. In the next episode, we will connect the dots and bring everything together and talk about healing itself in general. So we will talk about healing not as something external thing, but as a natural state of balance and flow. This is your host Ravindra Murthy. Thank you for joining me today. Take a breath, take it slow, and remember, bliss begins within.